Hi there, my name's Devin Knight, and I'm here to introduce you to a new course that we're launching at Pragmatic Works called Copilot and Microsoft Whiteboard. So if you're a user of Microsoft Whiteboard for brainstorming and generating ideas, Copilot makes the perfect companion to make your idea generation even better. So if you're not really sure what Copilot can do with inside of Whiteboard, let me give you a brief little summary. There's really three main things it can do: help you generate ideas, categorize those ideas, and then summarize those ideas into notes. And that's really where you're going to see some massive benefits of what you can do with Copilot. So what we're going to be exploring in this class is brief introduction to what Copilot is. We don't want to assume anyone has already worked with Copilot. We're then going to walk you through how do you then start using Copilot to brainstorm some ideas. And then finally, we'll walk you through some tips and tricks. So this is a little bit of a shorter class, but it gives you some ideas, and it's a great brainstorming tool, that being Whiteboard and Copilot for that matter. And so we're going to explore the integration of those two tools together. Thank you so much. We look forward to you joining us for this one, and have a great one. Take care.